Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Pisces, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. Pisces, we are picking few cards, guys. So these are for your general energies, this is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation, guys. Pisces. So let's start with the general energy. And I also have a special pick a card love reading. So if you are interested, stay tuned for that, guys. That will follow this general energy, guys. Pisces. So we have Judgment in reverse, Ten of Swords in reverse, and Ten of Pentacles. So with these cards in your situation, guys, Pisces, it may be in your career or it may be in your personal life, in this relationship. So maybe it may be your energy or their energy, guys. Maybe someone has a weakness. It may be some bad habits, something like drinking, smoking. So some kind of addictions are there for you. So you are trying really hard to overcome that, guys. But it is really difficult. And this person you love, they may be helping you today, guys, and they are helping you come out of these addictions. And these addictions are what to say, maybe getting out of hand, simply out of control. And this person is really devoted to you, and they are helping you to overcome these addictions or bad habits you have. And that may be the reason you feel emotionally satisfied, some kind of contentment and joy is there in your situation, or you feel that way towards this person you love, and you are coming out of these addictions, or your life is taking a positive turn, guys. Pisces, you are changing, and maybe this person is changing. They are living, they are healing from those addictions, and your life, or it may be their life, it is taking a positive turn. You have happiness, contentment, and emotional satisfaction today, guys. Pisces. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. Let's see what is the card for your relationship first. We have Eight of Wands in reverse. So with these cards, guys, maybe your person, they have realized their mistakes, and they want to what to say sorry to you. Maybe they have done something wrong, maybe because of these addictions, or uh, something has come up and they have done something wrong, very bad, and they are feeling really guilty for what they have done today, guys. And they want to resolve this situation, and they are what to say, trying to make you understand the reasons for their behavior, and why they did certain things in this love, in this connection, guys. Pisces. And what is the card for your career situation? It is Hierophant. So with this card, guys, you are someone who is really balanced, who has that balanced head. You know what you need to do, what actions or what needs to be done today. You are someone who believes in traditions, and who has rules for themselves, certain ideals that you follow, and you have a lot of experience. That may be the reason things are going in a positive way in your career situation, guys. Pisces. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Pisces, If you want more clarity, you can watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have 3 cards here. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate, and open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate. So I will start with this card. This is your first card, this is your second card, and this is your third card, guys. So let's start the reading with the first card after a few seconds. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. Let's see what it is. What comes of picking flowers? Greed. So with this card, the energy is that, guys, maybe this is the time you are getting transformed. Maybe there are some changes happening in this relationship. So whatever is not working for you, maybe in your connection, in your relationship, you are changing or that person is changing and you are seeing a great transformation. Maybe you would have felt that you are unable to overcome that particular situation, find the right solution. But no matter what your challenges are, there are solutions, guys, and you are simply going to reach those solutions for your problems, and things are going to go in a very positive way. And you are, maybe for some of you, because of this connection, you would have isolated yourself from the people you love, your friends and family members. Maybe it is time you get back to them, guys. So you are healing from this connection. Maybe you are making things right. So whatever is not working, you are making those things right, or you are finding the right decision today, guys, for your circumstance. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who have chosen the first card, that is the reading. So let's see what is the second card for you all. So this is the second card, and this is a crystal spirit, guys. So with this crystal, it just means that in our connection, sometimes we are so much stressed or worried, and we jump to so many conclusions because of those worries, or constantly because we constantly think about our circumstance. But today we need to let go of these worries we have in our heart, guys, and be simple. Go for that simplicity. Slow down, listen to that other person, whatever they are they want to communicate to you, and simply say sorry or yes or I see as a reply. Simply be present. Simply focus your attention on that other person. So when you listen to that person, the words they speak or the messages they send or their body language, you are going to feel calmer, and you will be ready to face whatever challenges you have, guys, with this simplicity, with simple actions. So today you need to go for simple actions instead of reacting too much. You need to see what that other person is trying to communicate to you, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who have chosen the second card. That is the reading. So let's see what is the third card for those who have chosen this card. Fork in the road. So this means means that you are in the verge of making some important decision, but you don't know which way to go, what you will choose today. And maybe in this love, maybe in this relationship, whether you want to remain isolated or you want to go deeper and commit to that other person. So this is the time for you to take that responsibility for your desires. Maybe if you love this person, and if it is true love that is the basis of this decision, you can go forward towards marriage or engagement, or be committed to this person deeply, guys. But if your intentions are something else, you need to think and decide whether you want to move away from this person. So you have to make authentic decisions, guys. That is the energy with this card. So when you make authentic decisions for yourself, your life path is going to give you a very true experience, and that will please your heart, give you happiness. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who have chosen this card. So that is the reading for y'all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.